Final review question number 17. Solve both triangles provided below, given the following information. Angle A is 48, side C is 4.5, angle C is 44, angle N is 48, side M equals 2. We're going to round the answers to the nearest 10. So the first question here is angle B. Angle B is equal to, since we are working in this triangle right here, we know that the sum of all angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle B, which is I already found here, is equal to 180 degrees minus 44 degrees minus 48 degrees, which is equal to 88 degrees. And it's easy also to find angle M. Notice how we have opposite angles here. So angle C is basically equal to angle M, which means angle M is equal to 44 degrees. Similar to the first triangle, if we work on the second triangle, we can figure out angle P, because angle P is equal to 180 degrees minus 48 degrees minus 44 degrees, which is equal to 88 degrees. Now we're going to use the law of sine to figure out the lengths. So if we work in the first triangle, we notice that to find B, which I already found the answer here, we're going to use the law of sine. So we know that B over sine 88 equals to C, which is 4.5 over sine 44 degrees. Make sure you're working in degrees. Now B is going to be equal to, we multiply across. So what I do here, I basically just multiply this way. So we end up with B equals 4.5 times sine 88 degrees divided by sine 44 degrees, which is going to be equal to, if you do the math, you're going to end up with 8.999, which is basically approximately 9, since we round into the nearest tenth. Now, similar, we can find, so B is equal to 9 approximately. Similar, we can find A. We can say A over sine 48 is equal to 4.5 divided by sine 44, which means A is equal to 4.5 sine 48 divided by sine 44. Make sure you're working in degrees. It's not going to make any sense if you're working in radians. So the answer is going to be weird. So make sure you're working in degrees. So the answer is going to be 4.8, approximately 4.8. Now we move on to the next triangle. Same concept here. So we have, let me just change the color. So in order to find P, we're going to say P over sine 88, which is the opposite angle, is equal to the known side, which is 2 over sine of the opposite of the angle of that side, which is 44 degrees. Again, we're going to work in degrees, so that will lead to P is equal to 2 times sine 88 divided by sine 44, which is going to be approximately 2.9. After we round, of course. Last but not least, N divided by sine 48 equals to 2 divided by sine 44, which will lead to N equals to 2 sine 48 divided by sine 44, which is going to be approximately 2.1.